Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss how to make Google Doc in dark mode. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Doc. Here you can see this is a standard mode. Just click on plus icon on Google tab. Open a new tab. Now search for Google Doc dark mode. Press enter. Here you can see Chrome Web Store Google Docs dark mode. Just click on this site. You can see here the extension of Google dark mode. Just click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. You can see here the extension is added. Now open your Google Doc again. Refresh it once. Now here you can see my Google Doc is in dark mode. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.